Tuulihaukantie 6 in Kaukovainio, Oulu. Staircase B. No time. The 1992 at 67035. Basement. Staircase is A and E have just 2 floors and no elevators. Staircase D is under construction, so I'm going to film it. I'm going to film staircase C also. Seventh floor. Focus 325 kilograms. Or is only one direction. And these cheaper M-series buttons. Inspected and maintained by Kone. Seventh floor. Ground floor. That's it.